Right, so it looks like it's going to be one of those days. I knew the gimbal was going to break and it's actually broke.
Can I leave na there?
No, don't leave it there. So all we need now is for the camera to go, and we've had it. What's she done? What she put on your head? Eh?
It's a lipstick, Daddy.
Lipstick?
Yeah, it's a tradition. When you go out with baby, you need to put the lipstick.
This reminds me when my mum used to put me this silly hat on when I was a kid, and there's nothing I could do about it.
So now we will go now on cathedral.
Right, yeah, we're going to the cathedral because we need to book the 10th of March. Is that right, babe?
Yeah.
10th of March for 2 christenings, one for us and one for a sister.
1 bike each.
Just put it in the bottom, babe.
It's alright?
Yeah, just put it in there. Well, it doesn't matter if it gets stolen, does it? Because it's not working.
1 bike each.
1,500 each. So we said that Mel was going to do all the talking now. Is that right, Mel?
Did I say that to you?
Yeah, but you've got to talk loud so people can hear you. Because they keep telling me all they can hear is my voice, they can't hear yours. And they don't want to hear mine, they want to hear yours. So it's quite busy because it's... What time is it, Mel? It's getting on. 4:30. So there's plenty of people about. We were just about to go home because the camera wasn't working. It kept coming up memory card error, which it does regular, and we've got to take the battery out and put the card back in and do it like 10 million times for it to work. And it's all because of the humidity in the Philippines. It just kills electronics off. So what we're having then, Mel? Where we're having the party after? In our house?
Yeah.
The top floor has got tiles down now, Mel. We've got floor tiles down. They're looking to put the windows in, and the terrace railings and the stairs railings, and of course tile. So what do you reckon? There's a really big difference without the gimbal, isn't there? It's really hard to keep the camera steady. Now, I think I've told you on other videos that Naga is a college and uni town, and the girls outnumber the boys 3-1. Big's Diner. If you ever come to Naga, go into the Big's. They do this massive burger and it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I said to Mel I might treat her. So this is where we're coming to the cathedral. This is where Mel's sister got married to her... Where is he from? The Netherlands? Netherlands, her husband, yeah. Apologies again for the wind noise, it's probably going to be a lot. There's always loads of kids here. Why is that, Mel? Sorry.
Praying and then stand by.
Oh, they're praying.
Oh.
So, if you don't practice your religion, you don't, do you? You don't come to church regular or nothing, do you?
No.
So why is it important to have him christened, Matthew?
Especially for the schooling.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Some of schools.
Yeah, that's really weird. If your kid isn't christened, you can't get them into school. I find that very strange.
But not all schools.
Not all the schools, just the good ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, that figures.
And also, for example, Matthew.
Speak up, baby.
Getting married.
Yeah. Yeah, but it didn't make any difference for me, did it, marrying you? Because what's the first thing your parents asked? What was my religion?
Methodist. It's not bad, but they are not bothered about that.
Yeah.
As long you love me.
No, I don't love you. No. Yeah, that's the first thing they wanted to know. Was I Catholic? Well, my dad was Catholic, but my mum was Methodist. Now, when I first saw this cathedral, I thought it was really old, but it's not that old. I think the date is on the front of the cathedral. We'll have a look.
Just wait me na lang here with Matthew.
What?
With Matthew.
What?
Just wait me here. Yeah?
Ooh.
I sleep now.
I want to go and have a look through there.
I sleep na. Kanina pa tumakot.
Yeah, he's so good. That's all he does is sleep and laugh, smile. Yeah, so lucky to have took after his dad for his looks, because his dad's really pogy. Let's go and have a look through here. That's where Mel's gone. Ah, this is where the kids come to chill out, I guess. Lots and lots of kids. So I want to have a look in the cathedral as well. It's really nice in there.
But it will be longer if allowed.
Well, my dear wife's just told me, because this christening is special, it's cost us 1,500.
Yeah, for each. No, but
If there'd have been more christenings on the day, it would have been 250 pesos.
yeah.
Can't we just book it on another day?
It's only Matthew and then I
Yeah.
have one, the chapel,
What?
for birth December. Not here.
You don't do it in the cathedral?
No, over there.
Oh.
Just there.
Ah. Well, we should get a discount if it's not in the cathedral, shouldn't we?
No, there's no baptism there, there's only wedding, but yeah.
Well, we can just bring a bucket. Ooh, where are you going? I really like this church. Mind you, I like churches anyway, but Filipino churches seem to be, or Filipino. You what, babe?
We pray. We already here, so I will pray.
Oh, you're going to pray?
Yeah, we are
Are you going to pray for me? I've been a bad sinner. Look, he's smiling, look. He's smiling at you, Mel. Now, when her sister got married, it was really special. All this down here was loads of flowers and bits and bobs, and it was really nice. Cool. I don't think I've been to so many churches in my life since I come to the Philippines. And I've prayed a couple of times myself, let me tell you. This is where I got my motorbike helmet stolen. I left them on the bike when we come to the wedding, and we come out and of course they'd gone. Just saying about the motorbike helmets, Mel. So, it's the 10th of March.
Yeah, it's 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. I just want to correct myself from the last video. I tried to work out the square footage in my head, and of course I got it wrong. I doubled it. Now,
You have a hero problem, right?
I have lots of problems, Mel. So,
I said there, let's make joke. What?
what?
Let's repeat. Say again. Because you mentioned before it's 14. And then
Yeah, I made an error on the last video with the square footage. I said it was
14.
450 square meters, and it wasn't. It was 225. So I got it really wrong. But I didn't have a calculator, did I? So it wasn't far out, was it? So when was this church built, Mel? It's not that old, is it? Have a look. It's not, Mel. I saw it somewhere. It was.
Here, I think it's
Enjoy your trip. Enjoy your trip. Cathedral of Naga. Yeah. So it's a pretty popular place, and it's nice to come and sit. I brought the dog a few times here. She enjoys it. So don't forget, when you're working out square meters, it's the length times the width. And it doesn't work like I thought it worked, where if you get like 15 square meters, 15 by 15, and it's 225, then if you get 30, you would think it would just double, but it doesn't. Because 30 by 30 is 900 square meters. So couldn't have got that more on, could I? But it always pays to do your own homework. So that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this little walk around the cathedral and enjoyed watching my wife's long hair. I love her hair. So that's it, babe, till the next video. What else do you say, Mal? Hey, hey, hey.
What's it again? I forgot.
Please subscribe, guys. Hit that like button and share our videos. And if you'd like to help us on Patreon, we'd really appreciate it. Well, I'm just saying it for you, aren't I?
I will do that next time.
Yeah. Don't forget the Patreon bit, because we've lost a lot of patrons, haven't we?
It's alright.
Yeah.
It's not end of the world.
Not end of the world. I wished I could be as laid back as her, I just can't. Anyway, see you on the next video, guys.
Honey, one more. One more. Sally, Sally. One more, honey. Do it. Honey, uy. Do it to Sally. Uy. One more. It's not you. Do it. Do.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping